Come with me as I walk you through how to use a one-page weekly student agenda. A one-page student agenda is a weekly single-use layout of all of the assignments, homework, and big important dates that you have for the week ahead. This sheet has to be either replenished or replicated every week in order to keep up with it. One way to keep this a revolving, reusable form is to put this sheet in a sheet protector and use a dry erase marker on the sheet protector, essentially turning that sheet into a dry erase board. However, in this video, I am using pens and highlighters directly on the sheet, which is also okay. You'll just have to get a new copy or make your own copy every week. You'll notice on this sheet, I've gone ahead and marked that my first elective class, which is PE, I have no homework. And that's because traditionally there is no homework in PE. However, for most other classes, you would not want to go ahead and just mark no homework, no homework, no homework. You would want to take it a day at a time. You'll also notice on this sheet that I've marked important dates, such as exams, quizzes, interims, as well as report cards going home. Outside of the boxes for each class, I've also made note of other important dates, such as the school dance. This way, I can also help remind myself when I need to have a form signed or I need to bring money to school for extra reasons. I'm emphasizing important dates by highlighting them, and I'm also making sure to front load my week in preparation for big tests or quizzes by marking on those corresponding days when I need to study. Also, at the end of the week, I want to make sure that I have all of my assignments that are due by Friday clearly marked. That way I can track for progress throughout the week. Again, if you need a copy of this, you can come by our office and request one. If you have any questions about keeping track of time or staying organized in terms of task management, feel free to ask to speak with one of us, and we are more than happy to help you. Good luck, guys. You guys are doing great.